Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Cusp of Interest. Alright, so I recently picked up the iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm recording with it right now and I'm shooting in 4K 60 and I'll give it to Apple that this is a great phone, but there are a few features that I wish it could have had that would have made it just that much better and would have just killed the competition. And yeah. Alright, let's go over them. Alright, so all these features are in no particular order, but here we go. Very first feature that I wish my iPhone 11 Pro Max had is a always on display. It's just a great feature that's on most Android phones, and I'd love for that to come on the iPhone. It's just super convenient just having it sit there. You can look at the time, get a little notifications or whatever. I think it's a great feature. The second feature that I wish the iPhone 11 Pro Max had is reverse wireless charging. This thing is a great feature. Like, you could charge your AirPods and your iPhone at the same time with just one cable or one wireless charger if you want to be a tryhard. It's on a feature on a lot of the high-end Android phones now, and I'd love to see it on the new iPhones. I did watch a video though that from teardowns that they think they might implement reverse wireless charging in a new software update or something like that. So I'd love to see that. Another thing is USB Type-C support on the charger. I mean, it makes things a lot easier. I do have a lot of lightning port chargers, but it would be awesome to switch everything to USB-C because then I could have the same as my Android phones and everything like that. Another feature is Apple Pencil support. I would love to, because I mean, it's such a big phone. I'd love to be able to just like doodle on my screen with my Apple Pencil or something like that. Or even if they can make a smaller Apple Pencil and use that as like a little stylus for your iPhone, that'd be great too. 90 or 120 Hertz refresh rate. I've never actually used a phone with that high refresh rate, but from watching all of MKBHD's videos, I really want them because he really loves them and he's a pretty honest guy and I trust him. Another feature is expandable storage on my phone. I did get the full maxed out version with 512 gigabytes, but even then, I'm making every single one of my videos on my phone. It would be useful to be able to expand that storage even more. It's on my Galaxy S8, not on my 11 Pro Max. Another feature I would like is slower slow motion. Like, it's only 240 frames per second at 1080p, which isn't horrible, but it isn't amazing. Like on the Galaxy S10, I think you can get 960 frames per second at, I think it's 720p, maybe even 1080p, but that is a lot slower and you could get way better slow motion. Another thing I wish that the iPhone 11 had is portrait video. So you could like have this video right here and then everything around me would be blurred out, just like they look on the DSLRs. They look really cool like that. I wish that could happen with the iPhone. I've seen videos where they can like rig it up that you can use the portrait mode, but it's not the same. My second to last feature I would really like on this iPhone 11 is definitely a smaller notch, or just like a no notch in general. That would be just make everything way better because the notch does get in the way sometimes and it can be a little annoying. And my very last feature is a in-screen fingerprint reader. I mean, you do have Face ID. Face ID is great, but I love fingerprint readers at the same time. Just having both those options would be way better. Alright, so that's all I have for all the features I wish the iPhone 11 Pro had. Let me know in the comments if you have any other features you'd like on the iPhone 11 Pro or anything like that. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace!